In face-to-face classrooms, reading the room is second nature. Teachers effortlessly scan for nonverbal cues like facial expressions, eye contact, and posture to determine if students are making sense of the lesson. But in a virtual classroom, none of that is easy. Students' faces are miniaturized and stacked in grids, and pets, parents, and siblings wander in and out of view. Sometimes a student's camera isn't on at all, leaving you staring at a blank rectangle that periodically speaks. So what can teachers do? In a 2019 study, outstanding online instructors shared their solution. To read your virtual classroom, you'll need to collect feedback regularly. Asking about student comprehension isn't enough. You'll want to ask specifically about how well organized, easy to use, and inclusive your virtual classroom is. You don't need complex new tools. You can use a simple Google form or an app like Pear Deck or Padlet to gather student impressions. After reviewing a number of online surveys, here are 6 questions we recommend. On a scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable do you feel using technology in our virtual classroom? Have you encountered any technical issues, such as not being able to hear me or not being able to connect to the internet? Are my assignments clear and my lessons well organized? Can you easily find what you need? Do you feel like your voice is heard? What can I do to improve our online classroom?